Avalanche TTX is a scenario-based training platform that makes it easy to create and deliver engaging exercises, training, and drills that help your teams respond confidently and effectively to real-world challenges. It allows your people to experience and learn from difficult situations before they happen in real life. Avalanche TTX is used around the world by police, fire brigades, schools, hospitals, airports, banks, telecom providers, energy providers, major venues, and more to prepare their people for both day-to-day operations and unexpected emergencies. Traditional training methods often struggle to keep participants engaged, making it difficult to build the confidence and decision-making skills needed for real-world situations. Avalanche TTX was created to address these challenges. With Avalanche TTX, you can empower your teams to rapidly create a library of scenarios focused on the challenges your people may face in their roles. Scenarios can play out with teams in a single room, or in multiple breakout rooms, or even in different cities. During these tabletop exercises and training activities, everyone's actions, decisions, and discussions are recorded. After the action, team leaders can review, evaluate, and report on what was said and done by each group. This gives your organization an easy and repeatable workflow for continuous improvement, significantly reducing the time, effort, resources, and stress involved in planning, running, reviewing, and reporting on scenario-based exercises. Scenarios can be designed for a single group or by dividing teams into breakout groups where each team may receive the same or different scenario content depending on their role, location, and perspective on the unfolding story. For larger exercises and simulation centers, Avalanche TTX provides dedicated observer and evaluator views, giving subject matter experts complete visibility of participant actions, decisions, and outcomes. Learn more about Avalanche TTX below. And while you're here, request a free 30-minute live demo of Avalanche TTX to see for yourself how easily you can prepare your people to respond confidently to both the expected and the unexpected. And if you're looking to run role-based training and assessment through realistic workplace simulations, ask us about Avalanche ST.